L&E Assembly is an assembly factory accredited with Quality Management System ISO 9001. The factory assembles lighting equipment or the component parts into lighting fixture to form the lighting luminaire in accordance with the designated standard. L&E Assembly has well-established assembly process and has set up assembly team for each product group. So that it can respond rapidly in a timely manner and with quality to the diverse requirements of customers.